Hello everyone, in this video I would like to talk about how to set Spotify song as a ringtone on your device. So let's jump in. Open up Spotify. If you have any song now playing, you can see this song at the bottom, and we just tap on this song. We can like this song, or we can see tap on three dots at the top right corner. You can see here size like, hide song, add to playlist, share, view artist, song credit and sleep timer. But we not see any option to add this song like a ringtone on your device. So unfortunately Spotify don't have this feature, and this means you can do it. You should download this song to your device. When you download this song to your device, you can set this song as a ringtone to your device.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.